Aquaman rides insane bikes. Let's see them.
Harley-Davidson Panhead, a legendary vintage bike with raw power and classic American style.
Harley-Davidson Softail Slim, sleek, lightweight, and perfect for long highway rides. Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, thick tires, massive body, and pure road dominance. Ducati Panigale V4, a high-performance superbike with insane speed and aggressive looks, perfect for showing his wild side. Triumph Bonneville T120, classic modern British style with smooth cruising power. Tons of video content available.